Florida's coral reefs are one of our greatest natural resources, creating opportunities for research and recreation.
Without corals, there would be no Keys, literally. And without healthy coral reefs, our economy would suffer as well.
Dr. Nicholas Parr from the National Marine Sanctuary shares the challenges our coral reefs are facing.
Coral itself is just a small organism, but they produce the rocks that are under them. The skeleton of the reef is what provides us shoreline protection against storms, surges, things like that. The two biggest industries in the Keys are tourism and fishing, and the reef is absolutely vital to both of those. Corals need very clean water. They need to have very low nutrient content, no pollutants in the water to thrive. It's important to remember the corals are the reef builders, so they're the ones we need to keep the reefs built. So if you have a slow oil leak for your car, it rains, that is going to flush into the surface waters, and that oil is then going to end out on the reef. So if you have everybody that's visiting here, our millions of visitors all coming and leaving a few drops, now we're having millions of drops of oil heading out to the reef. So to protect our reefs in the Keys, it's important when you visit the Keys or South Florida that you are being conscious of your cumulative impact. One thing you can do is Florida-friendly landscaping, which requires less fertilizer, less watering, less work on your part. So cumulative impacts can be negative, but they can also be positive. If we all just do a little bit to improve the environment in Florida, we can have a huge impact that's bigger than anything any one of us could do.